Hello students, welcome to Share of Science classes. Today I will be talking about coordination chemistry. Let's start with this question. The electronic ground state term for the chromium ion in CrCN6 whole to the power -4. This is a coordinate compound. Now Cn has a -1 charge, so CN6 will have -6 charge. Now this coordinate compound has -4 charge, so to balance Cr should have +2 charge. Now Cr has a configuration of, this is the configuration of Cr: argon 4s1 3d5. So Cr2 plus will have a configuration. Okay, first let's see. This is the 3d orbital and this is the 4s orbital. So this is the configuration of Cr. For Cr plus 2, this is the 4s orbital and this is the 3d 1, 2, 3 and 4 electrons. These are taken away since it is +2. Now the interesting thing to note here is that in presence of Cn, which is a very strong field ligand, these orbitals will undergo splitting into T2g and Eg group of orbitals, with Eg having 2 and T2g having 3. These are degenerate orbitals. So in presence of Cn-1, the 4 electrons will be arranged like this. First, this is the second, this is the third, and the fourth one will come here, since this is the direction of energy increasing. So the T2g group of orbitals will have the lower energy and the electrons will try to fill this up first. Hence Cr2 plus will have a configuration like this: 1 1 1 and here's another. So the spin, total spin will be +12 into 3 electrons. These are the 3 electrons which has +12 plus -12 into 1 electron. This is that -1 spin. So effectively this will be 1, so S equals to 1. Now the spin multiplicity, or M, is given by 2s plus 1, so that this will be 3. Now so this will be 0, this will be +1, this will be +2, this will be -1 and this will be -2. So L will be given by this is +2, this is +1, this is -1 and this is -2, sorry, and so L will be given by 2 electrons into +2 plus 1 electron into +1 plus 1 electron into 0. So L will be 5, which corresponds to H. So the answer will be L M, which is equals to H3. So the option will be option number B. So the answer is B. Thank you.